Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing something really cool. I got Diet Coke and Mentos. So I'm gonna open up the Mentos. Wait a minute, guys, because I know I set you down. Mento. I'm going to open the pot. Mento, pop. Holy! Will that ever explode again? Guys, I'm gonna do another one. Yeah, guys. Wow. That was... Get off, bug. That was awesome. I'm gonna have a Mento myself. Not bad. Alright. That is the end of that. And, well, diet is not. It's disgusting. So, that's just a pretty cool thing that I thought it would be cool to share with you guys. And that's what I have. If you look close, you can see that the thing's actually kind of still rising. Fizz to the top. So yeah, that was a pretty cool thing. This video is short, 'cause it's kind of all I wanted to share with you guys, and goodbye! Also, get a hammer, smash that subscribe button in the face like a boss, and leave a thumbs up, please.